Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the engine computer, also known as ECU fuses, ECM fuses, or just engine computer fuses are located. You may have up to 9 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So here now, guys, let's explain where the ECU ECM fuses are located. We're going to demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord right here. Now, you have 3 different fuse boxes. We'll work in 2 of them. The first fuse box that we will need is on the inside of your Honda Accord. And if you come to the driver's side, right under the dash above the pedals, if you look upside down, guys, you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Okay, that's the fuse box. But before we continue, let's explain why it's a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here the fuses that we'll need to check, guys, okay, for the ECU and the engine computer. Next to each fuse you have a number, so that will be very helpful. The first fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 7 right here, okay. Then you go to fuse number 8 right there, the other one too, fuse number 9 and fuse number 10. These 4 fuses are in that fuse box for the engine management, guys. These 4 fuses. We have 5 more that we need to check, and they're under the hood on that Honda Accord. If you come right here, this is the fuse box here. Open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right there. Which fuses we will need to check here specifically, guys? Okay, we're talking about fuse number 10 right there. That's fuse number 10, you can see right there, that's fuse number 10. And then we're talking about fuse number 14 right here, will need to be checked as well, fuse number 14. And then, guys, okay, we'll need to come to right here and count 15, 16, so fuse number 17, fuse number 18, fuse number 19, these 3 fuses as well. Those are all the fuses for the ECU. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.